Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I have a fun one for you. I have the limited edition March Spring Lookfantastic beauty box for you today. I cannot wait to dig into this one. It is a huge box filled with all kinds of amazing goodies, and we're going to talk about it in just a minute. If you are new to my channel, I'm Laura. This is Zena. She has some wet paws right now. Wyatt is over here and he's already, I think, snoozing. It is a rainy day out and the puppers were just outside. All right, guys. So I mentioned my Lookfantastic box. Yes, I can't wait to dig into this one. Let's do it. Hey, if you guys would hit that subscribe button and hang out with me for the long haul, I would so appreciate it. I try to bring videos to you each and every day. All right, so if you have not heard of Lookfantastic, it is the #1 European beauty retailer. So they have a beauty website with so many products, including this one we're going to talk about, as well as a beauty box, so a beauty subscription that comes every single month at an amazing affordable price. I'm going to link that right up above here because I just shared that one last week. And I have a giveaway. So you have a chance to win the March beauty box. If you check out my video and find out how to win, one may be yours. All right, so let's talk about this limited edition spring box. This you can buy straight off of their site. It is $40, and for that you get a value of $150 or more worth of product. It is limited time, so if you are going to want to check this one out quickly, and of course I do have a discount code for you. I'll put my link down below as well. If you use the code LAURA22, you will get 22% off of this box, and it should be most things on their site. I know there are some exclusions, so I can't say everything, but it will work off of some other things on their site as well, but definitely 22% off of this box, which is $40. Okay, let's dig in. First of all, their boxes are hard. Like, this is a box you could use for storage, which I love. Inside it says, all the best heroes are ordinary people who do extraordinary things. LF Beauty Box. And here's what I see as soon as I open the box. You always get in the monthly subscription boxes as well a pamphlet, and I see there's one in here that should tell me all about the pieces that are inside this box. About this one, there's a little blurb here. It says, our March Lookfantastic Beauty Box, the Hero Edit, is a coveted best of clean beauty collection with innovative skin and hair care essentials. This bright pink limited edition box is a curation of our beauty editor's 8 favorites products that we know you'll love. We hope you enjoy each carefully selected product inside our March Lookfantastic Beauty Box, the Hero Edit. So this one is an extra limited time. It's not part of their normal monthly subscription. Okay, we're gonna get right in. Oh, look at all the fun products. Oh, that looks so cool. I love it. I love it. Okay, I love this. All right, so the first item that my eyes are locking on is this Daily Concepts Daily Detox Massaging Brush. So it's basically the largest item inside this box, and it says, yeah, 100% natural bristles. And let me see here. The full size price, which I believe this is valued at $18. Break up cellulite deposits and remove old dry skin with this massage brush. It's responsibly sourced natural bristles and rubber nodules also stimulate and increase blood flow and circulation while removing dead skin cells for a beautiful, healthy glow. And it says, before the shower, use this brush to massage dry skin in circular motions on the body. Apply moisturizer or oil post-shower to replenish the skin. I like this. Have you guys ever tried one like this before? I have not. So I'm going to open this up and show you what it looks like. And it is for dry brushing. So here it is. It comes with a little handle here. And it's comfortable. Like, I was afraid the bristles would be rough. So I'm like, oh, that might hurt, but it doesn't. It feels actually nice. All right, that's awesome. We're off to a great start. It says ideal for smoothing and softening skin, stimulate circulation, detox skin, and for radiant skin. Okay, I love this. Next up, I see lip and eye cream. I'm always looking for eye cream. I wish I wasn't, but I am. So I'm excited about this one. And then the fact that it's also good on your lips, that's a plus. Here's what the box says. It says nourish and comfort. And it is the Organic Pharmacy. The full size is valued at $49. This is only 0.354 ounces, so this is a tester. It says this ultra rich and nourishing cream provides a soothing treatment to the delicate eye and lip areas. Its balmy texture combines eye bright, fennel, and bilberry to revive, aloe vera to heal, and frankincense to add a subtle fragrance and treat dryness. So you smooth over a clean eye and lip contour morning and night. Make sure to be extra gentle on those delicate areas. Oh, it's sealed. I was going to try to smell it. Oh, it does smell very clean, which I love. And it's a cream. So it's a solid cream, not runny. And I'm just going to put it on my hand. Okay, so and it's thicker. So you can feel it on. I can see why this would be used it said just for the nighttime, right? Morning and night. So you can use it both, morning and night. Perfect. It feels nice, and you can't even see it. It doesn't leave an oily residue or even any shine behind. Okay. What else have I got here? This is Caviar Anti-Aging Clinical Densifying Foam Conditioner. So it infuses weightless moisture to thinning hair. So this looks like a 1.5 ounce. This is like a travel size. And it says this is by Alterna. The 1.5 full ounce. So this size is valued at $12. This gentle self-foaming conditioner infuses weightless, nourishing moisture to delicate, thinning hair for healthy body and movement. It's formulated with amla, Indian gooseberry, and red clover to increase moisture and hydration to the hair for fuller, softer results. So you're supposed to shake it well, dispense an egg amount size into your palm, distribute through damp hair, focusing on mid-shaft to ends, and then rinse thoroughly. So you do rinse it out. Okay. It's not a leave-in conditioner. Next, Verso Micellar Water for daily use. I am always trying to find the perfect micellar water. I have not had luck with the ones I have purchased myself so far. This is one, I think this is one, yeah, 1 full ounce. The value of this is $6. So this was, I misspoke. So this 0.35 ounce right here is valued at $49 of the lip and eye cream. So this is a full size. So my mistake there. So everything in here must be priced exactly what size they sent you. So this is valued at $6. This is the Micellar Water by Verso. Wipe away the day's makeup, dirt, and grime with the Verso Micellar Water infused with molecules that attract and lift impurities away from the skin like a magnet. You just soak a cotton pad and sweep across the face to remove it. So I'll be anxious to see if this one works. I haven't tried this brand. This would also be good for travel when we get to do that again. Next up, I have Coors Foaming Cream Cleanser. This is 0.68 full ounces, and this is valued at $4. So this is a nourishing cream to foam soap-free cleanser formulated with naturally soothing Greek yogurt. Okay. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin, and the Greek yogurt is the key ingredient. Specifically delivers an instant soothing cooling sensation with a super dose of pre and probiotics to nourish the skin. You massage a dime size amount gently into wet skin and rinse off with plenty of water. Okay. There's There's still lots more here. Next, there's 8 items here, I guess. Yep. Next up, this is Skin Decoded Priori. Hopefully I'm saying that right. This is Hand and Body Replenisher. This is 0.68 ounces and it's valued at $8. It says the ultra luxurious emulsion adapts to all your skincare needs, providing your skin with a customized treatment with gentle exfoliates, moisturizes, and provides essential antioxidants for a softer, smoother appearance. So consider this a corrective intensive body cream that helps reduce imperfections, including breakouts, stretch marks, pigmentation, dry skin, and more. Okay, so this is like a miracle cream. You apply liberally all over the body and massage once or twice daily. Apply post-hair removal to prevent ingrown hairs and follicles. Folliculitis. That's good to know. All right, that's cool. I need to try all these things right away, so in case I need to get any of them, hopefully my code for 22% off will still work to buy bigger sizes, right? Next up, this is by Juice Beauty. And this is Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. This is 0.5 ounce. This is $10. It protects against maskne. Yeah, that's a thing now, right? With bamboo charcoal and kaolin clay in this mask to help detoxify your skin. The aspen bark will help smooth, hydrate, and exfoliate with polyhydroxy acids for a softer, smoother complexion. So after cleansing, you apply a generous layer to the entire face, neck, and décolleté. Rinse well, so it's your face, neck, chest. Rinse well or remove with a warm towel after 1 to 2 minutes, so you don't leave it on for very long. Okay. And I have one last item. This is by Aurelia Probiotic Skincare. This is Cell Revitalise Night Moisturizer. All right, so this is 1 full ounce. Is valued at $48. And it is an ultra-rich hydrating night cream. Here's what it looks like. It smells amazing. So it smells very botanical, which is what I was about to read here. It says it fuses probiotic ingredients with plant and flower botanicals to transform the skin's luminosity. Its signature probiotic ingredients continuously protect, restore, and balance the skin from within by calming the natural immune triggers in your skin that can be overstimulated by pollution and stress. So you're supposed to, at night after cleansing, apply to your face. Again, the face, neck, and chest, and massage it. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive. And that is all 8 pieces. This was an amazing collection of products. What did you guys think? I liked it. I think for $40, this is a great collection. All right, so many things, all 8 pieces. I will list the items down below for you in case you're interested in checking out this limited time spring box from them. And I will put my discount code down below. Love this brush. As well, so that you can get 22% off this box. That will take the price of the box down to what, about 30 bucks, I think? Right around $30, $31. Amazing. All right, guys. Thank you so much for spending time with me today and letting me share this limited edition March Lookfantastic box. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Would love you to hang out for that long haul and hit that subscribe. I would really appreciate the support. And if you already have, thank you, thank you, thank you. My subscribers are the best. Love you guys. Until next time. Bye-bye.